Well, apparently hitting the volume button pauses and stops and records a video. Did not know that. Trying to turn the volume up. Secondly, hi everyone, Keith here. Um, I have two things. Everything's falling. I have a Rainbow High mystery box. It's a bag, as always. I dropped it. And I have Shadow High Berry Skies. I don't remember actually seeing her in the show. But I mostly wanted her because of all the tech stuff she has. Ooh, hey. Look. Look. Yeah. Let's open her up so I can figure out how. Yeah. Ooh, I love the translucent blue. So how are these curls? Truthfully, don't know how I feel about the curls, but those aren't removable. One of the reasons why I wanted her was to see if the CDs around on her skirt were removable. They are not. Her blue translucent comb with sparkles inside. I freaking love this. It's pretty. Part of her stand. That'll be later. Okay. So out of the box, I absolutely love her hairstyle. I just sadly know that it's not going to last with me. But like she's got a single long curl up front and a whole head of curls in the back, and it's stunning. There's actually not very much product in it, so I'm happy with that. She's got a sort of motherboard looking top with wire as a belt and CDs in her skirts. CDs are not removable. Pockets do work. Also, I don't know why, but her shoes remind me of speakers at the bottom. And really quickly, the top comes off to reveal a black crop top underneath. And the belt comes off as well. This changed from fabric to a plastic belt. So this is what the belt looks like. I think these are called aux cords. But truthfully, with this part here, I don't know if it's an aux cord or not. She's also got a bracelet with computer keys. It's a computer key bracelet. Does it spell anything? Oh, SH for Shadow High. SHA? That I don't know. My girl's head feels a bit stiff. But, oh, and she's got, I'm not really sure how to describe her earrings, but they're translucent blue with silver on it. With silver things on it. Set her. Stay. We have the doll stand. There she goes. Stay. Okay, now to figure out how to get these accessories out. Ooh, what's on the phone? What's on the phone? So the phone sticker is coming off, and I'm actually okay with that. But I love this phone. It looks so high tech. The front is rainbow high. It's just loading. But like, it's a really pretty phone. I like it. I may actually take the sticker off myself because it's already coming off. But one of the reasons I got this doll not that. Huh. I'm not sure how I feel about this tablet, but it looks like they're on Instagram. Though mine has something on the back. That did not feel great at all to touch. Like nails on a chalkboard. What the frick? Ignoring that, got a pair of Shadow High visors. See if they fit. So they look like on her. And last but not least, it's paper. The cardboard peeled off onto the stuff. We have a Shadow High laptop. And it looks like she's coding something. But like, I truthfully just really like the laptop. It kind of looks like a chat room, but truthfully, I don't know. So, I'm going to say it's a chat room, get this stuff off, and use the laptop. But I need to put that down. I need to take something to that. So the reason why I chose this rainbow high handbag is because it looks like a similar color to her. And of course I tear open the box. Oh, it looks like it's a new one. Nope. It's River's fanny pack. Over the body fanny pack. It says sparkle all around. It does open, which I love. Like, I love that they open. Ugh. It says it is Rivel Kendall Sparkle Fanny Pack. Took me a second to find where it said that. I always keep the little receipts because they're like perfect dollhouse accessories. Just to make it look like the doll just went shopping, and I love that. But yeah, I mean, it's a similar color to her. She looks so stiff, and I don't know why. But yeah, she's a really pretty doll. I like her. I mostly got her for her tech, but still. I like her as a whole. Crop top's right enough, though. Other than that, this is everything I have. So I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye!